Hi guys, welcome to another video from Advancing Car. Right then, today we've had this 2023 Golf 8 in, and it's in for what appears to be the standard upgrades that people expect from a brand new car. So we've gone with the uprated bonnet strut, so gas strut, which is, which all the older cars seem to have, but now, brand new car, they've taken that away and given you back your old school, just, on a stick jobby, and folding mirrors. Everyone wants folding mirrors in their Golf 8 because for some reason they don't have them. And yeah, we do them relentlessly. But yeah, so we just thought we'd do a video on especially the bonnet strut, because I don't think we've done a video on one of these for ages. So, 1 minute, there we go. Right, there we go. So, saw how easy that was, opening the bonnet. Now with this new gas strut in, it comes with the mounting point at the bottom, and we just have to fit the kind of the bonnet strut nipple, if you like, up at the top, gets bolted in, all fixed in place, everything's nice and solid, and it works as if it was there from factory. And now just means your bonnet is a lot easier to open and close. You haven't got that massive piece of metal pivoting and you having to control it. And it just kind of makes sense, really. No one knows why they've taken it away. It's a cost-saving thing. But, nice car like this, especially Golf R, it's the right thing to do. So yeah, this is the old one. This is now can be go back to the customer's house. They can use it for something else, and they can enjoy using their bonnet the way you'd expect to use it on your new car. So if you want one of those, obviously give us a shout. But I think we also sell them as a kit, so you can buy it and you can fit it yourself. Nice little project to do, earn yourself a beer, and make your car a bit nicer to use. So let's go and have a look at the mirrors. Right then, so folding mirrors. Nice feature to have on modern cars. I think people just expect it from kind of higher end cars like this. You can get them on lower end entry level cars and things as standard that aren't German. And so yeah, when people buy a German beastie like this thing, people just expect folding mirrors. And for some reason, so many of the models just don't come with them. So we've fitted loads of them. It's loads better for, obviously, knowing your car's locked and protecting them. It also means that when you're going down a little tight country lane, obviously cars are getting loads bigger now. If you're going down a little country lane nice and slowly, you can turn your new knob that you get in your driver's door card and fold your mirrors in, and then they're not going to get hit or anything. Also, if you've got a small tight garage or something, you can fold them in and drive into your garage. So obviously folding mirrors, they do as they say, really. They fold on lock, wind their way in, and then with these ones, they then unfold on unlock, obviously. So after a second or two, they then fold down and you're good to go. Obviously you get, like I said, you get a new switch in your driver's door handle. Everything all still works as the same as it does. You still get your mirror dip in reverse, so your passenger mirror will dip, and so you can to wherever you set it. So when you're reversing, obviously all your adjustments and everything work. And like I said, you can fold them from the inside. So if you were going down a tight space or anything really, you can then fold them in, and that your mirrors are nice and safe. You also, because they are genuine mirrors, and they get fully coded into the car, you also get your menu on the screen as well. So you can turn off or turn on the folding on lock option. Not sure why you'd want that. So that's just auto locked because I didn't open the door. So there you go. Even if you don't open the door, it's going to lock itself. Mirrors are all going to fold up. Yeah, we're not sure, as are all our customers aren't sure why it doesn't come with it, but it's a very, very popular retrofit for us to do. So, if you've got a Golf 8 that hasn't got its folding mirrors, and getting fed up of lifting your bonnet that's super heavy, then pop down, get in contact, and I'm sure we can upgrade your lovely, lovely car. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll hopefully see you again soon.